Today, we will be painting the rainbow butterfly face paint design using the Derivan Face and Body starter set. The first step is to cover the area of sponge you will be using with white paint. Using a flat brush from the set, paint stripes of red, yellow and blue. Begin gently stamping and patting the sponge on the outer edge of the eye and on the cheek under the eye. Make sure the sponging is even and balanced on both sides of the face. Load a round brush with the black and outline the butterfly. Using the liner brush loaded with black, draw the body and butterfly antennae in the middle of the forehead. You can now finish off the design by using the back of the brush to paint white dots to add some detail.